and welcome to another episode of Better for today. Now, chicken e black bean sauce. Hey, another recipe for a yomo shake bomb bomb. Inside work, put oil. The next thing you want to put sesame seed oil, a little bit. Then you put inside. You can put this chili pepper. Anyone where you find, put her. What you buy from Mala, put her inside. You can cut chicken breast. Upper department, this side, couple D. Anyone, you can put her inside the hot oil like children we want where they reconcile the first time after they never see their papa for many lifetime. They call together to celebrate his 70th, 80th, 90th birthday. You get what I'm saying? Anyway, pack the chicken, come out for inside. No season ammo, just rub am with any flour where you get. I rub am with cornstarch. That's it. Then inside the pot, I can put onions, I put bell pepper, I can put garlic and ginger. Then I can put stock seasoning, ajinomoto, whichever you want to put. I can put stocks, I can put pepper. Then you can put your whole lot. If you never know your whole lot by this time, that now your business. Then you can put the chicken back. You see the party that they color for already. You can put soya sauce inside. You can put oyster sauce inside. Next thing now the black bean sauce from Blue Dragon. Blue Dragon sponsor me. Make me tag Blue Dragon, but they sponsor me. You can put the packet inside. Once you put it inside, you come mix. You can put the chili oil inside. Any chili oil you go do as well. It don't matter. Just spread out top. The party don't do. See souvenir don't even ready. Put it inside. Then you can put spring onions on top to add special effect. Look at her. It don't done. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.